Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to split first name and last name from full name. In order to separate first name and last name, first of all you have to select the entire column containing the full name. Then go to data, from text to column, you have to select delimited. The next criteria, what delimiters separate the first name from last name. As you can see in this column, the last name and first name is separated by a space, so I will select a space. Next, then this is very important. When the Excel separate the first name and last name, where should it paste? You have to select the first name first, then finish. As you can see, through one click, the first name and last name are separated from each other. Sabira Alizada, Sabira is the first name and Alizada is the second name. Joy Mark, Joy is the first name and Mark is the second name. Now, if you want to extract the monthly salary from this main table, you can use the index and match function or VLOOKUP along with match function. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it is useful for you.